Okay, let's get this ready. Let's cut up the paper, maybe about this size. I need a new paper cutter. Which way? This way. Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to paint Woody from Toy Story in the basic, most easy steps. This is great for practice, or it's great to do with your kids. Go ahead and grab your pencil. We're going to do the bottom of a rectangle for his face. It's going to be rounded at the bottom and come up, and we'll stop before we close it. Now at the top, we're going to go a rounded bump like that. Now we're going to do the brim of his hat. Like that. And then the top of the hat barely is going to poke out, a slanted line come across, slanted line again. All right, now we're going to work down. This is going to be the top of his hair, just a little arched. Like that. We'll do two big eyes. Like that. We're gonna do an ear coming out right here. There we go. We'll do some erasing after. And the nose coming down like that. I am going to do a big open smile, but feel free to do what you guys want. I'm going to show the line for the upper teeth and then a line for the bottom teeth. Two little cheek marks. Some eyebrows. A line for that. Then over here, I forgot to do the hair as well. Okay, coming from the bottom of the face is going to be his bandana. Just an upside down triangle. The little ties coming out on the side. Now I'm gonna close this in a little bit. It's a little bit too wide on my right side. I'll take my eraser and erase that in the ear. Now I'm going to paint it with watercolor, but you guys are welcome to paint with anything you would like or color it. Marker, crayons, whatever you want to do today. Now I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. You guys take your time coloring and come back when you're all finished. Micron pen, but you guys can grab a thin marker or even just a pen, and I'm outlining everything just to make it pop a little bit. And I'm not trying to be precise. I want some gaps, some white spaces, I think it just adds character and it makes it unique. Once we're done with outlining, then I am gonna go in and color the background. Again, just to make it a little bit more interesting and fun. You guys, this is where you can make it yours. You can do a pattern on the background. You can do polka dots, stripes, whatever you want. And we're done. I love it. Now don't forget, nobody's gonna know who this is painted by if we do not sign our names. Go ahead and grab a pen or use your paintbrush and sign it wherever you want. That's it. Thanks guys. Bye.